there, friends of the BMG project! I am very pleased to welcome you guys to Kev's Kitchen special episode number 2. As always, only for you friends and only here on our The BMG Project channel. In this special episode number 2, I am showing you guys how to easily and quickly make a delicious veggie sandwich with ingredients that can be found in pretty much every grocery store nearby. This very tasty and aromatic vegetarian sandwich here is what I call Kev's Quickie Veggie, a sandwich that combines all the good stuff. Pumpkin seed bread with fresh salad vegetables, sliced cheese and cream cheese. Also, the overall cost as well as the preparation time is low, which makes this little dish perfect for people who want to enjoy good food at an affordable price. Alright then friends, before we can start we need the following ingredients. A few slices of pumpkin seed bread preferably, low-fat oleomargarine, semi-hard cheese such as Gouda cheese or even brie cheese, low-fat cream cheese, for example Philadelphia Balance, fresh cucumber, fresh tomatoes, fresh lettuce hearts, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of black pepper seasoning. By the way, feel free to add other ingredients to your Kev's Quickie Veggie if you want to, for example fresh garden parsley or French Provençal herbs and so on. Well then friends, now enjoy watching me preparing our Kev's Quickie Veggie sandwich and bon appétit!